This forest was a place where the towering trees touched the sky and the small streams flowed like a music. Maya, a magnificent and intelligent elephant, lived here with her child Babu. She was the wisest elephant in the jungle, but a secret weighed heavily on her heart. This secret wasn't just important for Maya, but crucial for the peace of the entire jungle. Babu, still in the early years of life, was innocent and brimming with curiosity. Yet, Maya always carried a fear in her heart, a fear that constantly challenged her ability to protect Babu from danger. One day, Babu saw an unusual cluster of butterflies swirling in a circle of light. "Mother, look! Are not they fascinating?" he exclaimed joyfully and dashed after them. Maya was instantly alarmed. "Babu, stop! Stop, Babu!" she called out. But Babu's curiosity led him deep into a valley, where the ground turned a striking shade of red. Maya immediately realized they were in the territory of the jungle's most dangerous predator, the fearsome lion, waiting patiently for its prey. Fear surged through Maya, but she quickly steadied herself. Her mind flashed back to a time in her youth when she was part of a secretive group guarding the mystical knowledge of the jungle. This knowledge included unique, cunning tactics and battle strategies known only to the strongest creatures of the wild. Maya decided to draw upon the skills of her past to protect Babu. Maya slammed her powerful trunk onto the ground, creating a loud, thunderous sound that alerted the jungle's predators. The lion, who was closing in on Babu, paused momentarily. Using her experience, Maya executed a clever plan. She lifted a heavy log with her trunk and hurled it between the lion and Babu, creating a barrier. The lion roared in anger, but Maya was ready for her next move. With a swift motion of her trunk, Maya traced a specific line on the ground, activating a hidden trap. This was a technique she had learned in her youth, designed to subdue dangerous predators like the lion. As the lion lunged toward Maya, it fell straight onto the trap. The net ensnared it, rendering it powerless. Maya roared with authority, warning the lion, "This jungle is a safe haven for my child. If you set foot here again, your reign will end right here." Maya brought Babu close to her, who was caught between awe and fear. "Mother, how did this happen? Are you a magician?" Maya smiled and said, "This is not a magic, my son. This is a combination of intelligence, experience, and love." Maya and her son Babu kept moving on. At last they went to the river bank, where they heard a strange sound. It was the voice of a wild creature saying, "Beware of me." Babu looked at Maya in astonishment, but she whispered in his ear, "This is no ordinary sound, my son. It's the mysterious secret of the jungle." Babu, alongside his mother, took cautious steps toward the source of the sound. As they approached a dense tree, a rocky river suddenly appeared before them. On the river bank stood an ancient, peculiar tree, its roots concealing a glowing doorway. Maya touched the roots of the tree, and suddenly the door swung open. Behind it lay a mysterious world where the tree branches shimmered like snakes, and a strange blue lake was home to bizarre creature swimming gracefully. Babu's heartbeat quickened. Mother, where are we? Maya replied, This is the magical world, my son. It's a place where time stops, and we are about to discover something extraordinary. Suddenly, a shadowy sorcerer appeared before them. His body was as dark as storm clouds, and his eyes glowed red. In a booming voice, he asked, Why have you come here? Maya answered bravely, We have come to uncover the truth of our path, and we are ready to face your sorcery. Eventually, the sorcerer was defeated and revealed his truth. He confessed that he was an ancient sorcerer trying to alter the reality of the jungle, but his magic had lost its essence. His powers were merely illusions, and Maya had unveiled his deceit. Babu learned a valuable lesson from the sorcerer's defeat. Mother, now I understand that with wisdom and courage we can overcome any challenge. Maya smiled and said, Yes, my son, you have learned that the greatest strength lies in the intelligence and bravery.